behind you, there's these gorgeous screens, and I am just wondering, is this something that was added? It's sort of a 3D screen?
Let me show you.
Wow, so this is just beautiful right here. First of all, I just want to point out the beauty of what we're looking at.
Unexpected, correct?
Yes, yes.
It's hand-painted silk. It is a gorgeous piece of art.
Definitely.
It's a beautiful wallpaper, but I wanted to create an art wall, but there's more. So when Dawn and I came on our first visit to this project, she walked us through, she stood in her bedroom, and she said, I want to view the ocean when I'm in bed.
So, workable art. I love this. What an amazing way to maximize this view.
There was one single door, flush panel door into the master bedroom that just was not going to work for our client.
No.
It's a sliding door. It's actually a magic door.
Well, where's the hardware?
Well, hello. I still
That's the
can't figure it out. I know there are rollies on the bottom, okay? I cannot.
but no track up top.
No. No way were we going to put a barn door
There
in
is
here
one.
at all, ever.
There is
Not-
a track.
not the right
It's-
look,
But
yeah.
it's magic, you don't see it. Also keeping privacy, this acting as a privacy screen when she's entertaining.
I love the element of surprise. I love the connection of the beautiful view to the bedroom, plus the art. I mean, it's a home run.
Yeah.